All right, number one, we want to graph this equation. So there's several parts that we have to do here. We have to tell whether the line is going to be solid or dashed. We have to pick two ordered points, and then we have to tell which region will be shaded. And the regions will pop up after we put the points in and show the line. So first thing we want to know, is it a solid or dotted line? Because the inequality does not have equal to, it's going to be dashed. And now we're going to do 2 points. So the first 2 or 3 I'm going to do using method 1, which is finding the x-intercept, x and y-intercept. So I'm going to write down this equation: 2x plus 2y is less than 8. All right, so first I'm going to find the y-intercept, which means x is 0. So the ordered pair is going to be 0 something whenever I figure out what the y value is. Once x is 0, that whole term goes away, and I'm left with 2y is less than 8, or we can just say 2y is equal to 8. And then we solve for y by dividing by 2. And we get that y equals 4. So the ordered pair that we get for the y-intercept is going to be 0, 4. 0, 4. All right, now we're going to do the x-intercept. And this time, the y value is 0. So the ordered pair we get will be some number, comma 0. And this time, if we get rid of the y, making it 0, we're left with 2x equals 8. I know it says less than 8, but I'm just doing it equal to find out that number. And then we divide by 2, and we get x equals 4. So this time it's just reverse the order, 4, 0, and 0, 4. So once I enter this 4 here, it should graph that dotted line. So here's that dotted line. We have region A, we have region B. So in order to figure out which one we shade, we have to pick a test point, a point that's on either the B side or the A side. Normally 0, 0. We will use that point unless the line goes directly through that point, then we have to use something else. But usually it's going to be on one side or the other. So we're going to plug in 0, 0. That's going to be our test point. So we're going to test 0, 0. So I'm taking my equation and I'm plugging in a 0. And plugging those two in, we will get 0 is less than 8. This is a true statement, and we shade the side that is true. So you get true, you shade that side. If you get false, you shade the other side. So this time we got true, so that was the side with 0, 0. So that is the side that we want to shade.